Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Chat GPT Widget on AGM Pad P2. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search, and now click install. Now you can click open and then click got it. And click this button to skip introduction, then click not now and click open permissions. Then you have to select AI assistant and click here to allow this app to display over other apps. Then you can click back and click back again, and now you can click start. And as you can see, here is my ChatGPT widget, and I can open him and I can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.